Hello, welcome. My name is Manuel from Kata Studios. Today we're talking about 5 important terminologies web designers and developers should be aware of going forward. Number 1 is the host. Okay, so now the host, we are going to take an instance to be like the house where we live and store things. And another example of that is just like the device you use, the memory inside of the device is the host. So where everything is stored is the host. For the website, it is the platform that stores everything we do in a website. All the design that is being done in the website is being stored inside of the host. We take us to number 2, which is the domain name. So the domain name, in the other hand, is the name of the website. So this is just like the name of the device we just talked about. It could be an Apple device or Samsung device, or the name of the apartment or whatever. So this particular name is what people type in, like www.whatevername.com, and they are going to see the website. Now, it is not that name that actually displays the content. The name is actually pointed or connected to the website, the hosting account, which makes it easy for the content to display through the name that is searched. Another word for the URL or the domain name is called an IP address. We move into number 3, which is integration. So integration is actually just like you going into the market, buying different ingredients for food. You buy egusi, you buy obolo, you buy oha, you buy meat, you buy all of these things. Merging them together to make that sweet pot of soup is what integration means. So integration is me bringing things together. For instance, you have a website you want to create and you want to actually add a payment platform. The payment platform is a different company on its own, and your website is a different company on its own. But you bringing the payment platform together with your website to help serve your clients is what they call integration. So that process where you actually connect the payment platform with your account and connect it to your website and make it easier for people to purchase, that is the process we call integration. So number 4 in our list is website and web app. My student made a video about this some weeks ago. I'll be linking his name in the description of this video so you can go check that out. But we're going to be very brief in this one. So the web app itself is an interface that is dynamic, while the website is a static environment. What I mean by static is that if the designer don't make any changes to the website will remain like that forever. But the dynamic environment is an environment where even the owner of the website can make changes in the website and it automatically populates in the front end or the front display of the website. So an example of a web app is an e-commerce web shop. So finally on our list is search engine optimization, aka SEO. So this is an environment that controls searches and results in the internet. So when you get to Google and you search for a product or you search for an article, all those information that populates very easily for you are not just done easily. Those particular process that they actually went through, the designer or developer went through to actually make those content populate in that particular interface is called optimization. So there are many variables in optimization. There is image optimization, there is taxonomy optimization, there is typography optimization, there is icon optimization, and so on. So optimization simply means making things easy to be accessible. Okay, so when you make your content more accessible, Google itself will index your content. So the process of optimization is called indexing. So indexing means populating those information in a way that is well formatted. So for instance, somebody search for your website and your website opens, they are going to be able to see the service page, the about us page, contact us. They're not just seeing all of the content in your website. So the optimization process that allows the indexing perform very well, allows the indexing pick the most important tags, which are the names to those pages, and populate them to users so that I can easily access those platforms. So that is it about our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, click the subscribe button and we'll be here next time to meet with you. Oh, and by the way, you need a website? We make websites.